Hello friends, welcome you all with IAS with Arihant and very good afternoon everyone. Very good afternoon. Please join the class on the time, and if you are new in this channel you have to subscribe, right? First you have to subscribe the channel and also share this class who are going to prepare for UPSC and state PCS exam. So let's start with this session. Prelims possible. Prelims Possible, IAS and State PCS. This is the book by Arihant. This is the book by Arihant, right? If you do not have this book, if you do not have this book, you must purchase this book, Prelims Possible by Arihant. It has 300 plus solved papers, question and papers, and this is a subject of, and also it has in many subjects like history, Indian polity, Indian geography, world geography, economy, general science. So if you are going to prepare for UPSC and state PCS exam, this is the best book for your preparation. Prelims Possible. It really has amazing content and best explanation. Also, we have to discuss some features given in this books. It is really very necessary to discuss about this. What we have in this book, chapter wise, topic wise division, right? When you are going to study any chapter, you must know what are the topics, and the subtopics are given in the, and you must read every topic, because it really helpful in your exam, because you have to prepare the topic with basic concept, right? So it has chapter wise topical mind map, 100% error free explanation, knowledge plus for typical questions, and 3500 plus PYQs bullets, right? So if you are not purchased this book yet, you must purchase this book. Now let's start our class. In the previous classes, we have to study the first chapter, unit and measurement, and also completed the 2 units. First unit is physical quantity, dimensional formulas and their SI units, and the second topic we have completed instruments and their uses, right? So continue that topic. Today we are going to continue that topic again. Just give me a sec. Yes. So let's start with this question. Question number 26. Pyroheliometer. Pyroheliometer is used for measuring. Pyroheliometer is used for measuring sunspots, solar radiations, air temperature, and temperature of plants. And temperature of plants. Pyroheliometer is used for measuring sunspots, air temperature, solar radiation, and temperature of plants. So the pyroheliometer is basically used for measuring solar radiation. Right? Option number B will be the right answer. Pyroheliometer is used for measuring solar radiation. Sunlight enters in this instrument through a window and is directed onto a thermopile, which converts heat to an electrical signal that can be recorded. Question number 27. Richter scale is used for measuring. When we are studying about earthquake, when we are going to study up earthquake, we must heard so many terms are there. Seismograph, Richter scale, and what are these? Seismograph. What is seismograph? When we are talking about seismograph is used for measuring the intensity of earthquake, shocks. And what is Richter scale is used for measuring velocity of sound, intensity of light, amplitude of seismic waves, intensity of sound. Option number C is the right answer. Amplitude of seismic waves. Amplitude of seismic waves. Richter scale is used for measuring amplitude of seismic waves. Richter scale was developed by Charles F. Richter in 1935 as a mathematical device for comparing the size of the earthquake. Comes to the next question. The thermometer which is used to measure 2000 degrees Celsius temperature is gas thermometer, mercury thermometer, total radiation pyrometer, steam pressure thermometer. Option number A, gas thermometer. Option number A, gas thermometer. Gas thermometer has a temperature range of minus 40 degree to 3500 minus 40 degree to 3500 degree Celsius. This is gas thermometer. This is gas thermometer. Mercury thermometer has the temperature. Mercury thermometer has the temperature 37 degree to 37 degree Celsius to 356 degree Celsius. The thermometer which is used to measure 2000 degrees Celsius temperature is, the right answer will be total radiation pyrometer. Option number C is the correct answer. Option number C is the correct answer. Total radiation pyrometer is used to measure 2000 degrees Celsius temperature. It is a type of remote sensing thermometer used for measuring the temperature of surface. It can measure the temperature from 40 degrees Celsius to 3500 degrees Celsius. Gas thermometer has a temperature range of 183 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Mercury thermometer has a temperature range of 37 degrees Celsius to 356 degrees Celsius. Steam pressure thermometer has a temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. Comes to the next question. Which one of the following devices is used to measure extremely high temperature? Option number A, pyrometer, photometer, phonometer, pycnometer. So we are going to answer every option one by one. Pycnometer. Let's start with pycnometer. Pycnometer is used to measure volume of solids, liquids, and pycnometer used to measure volume of solids, liquids, etc., that is having a specific value, volume. Photometer compares the luminous intensity of light. Photometer compares the luminous intensity of light. Correct answer will be pyrometer. Correct answer will be option number A, pyrometer. Pyrometer is used to measure the extremely high temperature. It measures temperature by measuring radiation from the object without having to be in contact. Question number 30. The apparatus used for detecting liye is known as if some person hides something. So in the or it is related with a crime. So there is conduct a lie detector test, and it is called as lie detector test. But this test is conducted only by the court orders. Not any ordinary person or any ordinary man can do this function, right? Polygraph, pyrometer, gyroscope, kymograph. So this test is polygraph. What is polygraph? The apparatus used for detecting lie is known as polygraph. It is also known as lie detector. This instrument works by recording physiological phenomenon such as blood pressure, pulse rate and respiration of human when he answer questions put to him by an operator. These data are then used as the basis for making a judgment as to whether or not the subject is lying. Question number 34. Which one of the following thermometer is known as pyrometer? Option number A, thermoelectric thermometers. Option number B, radiation thermometers, gas thermometers, liquid thermometers. Alright. Thermoelectric thermometer, also known as thermocouple thermometers. Electric thermometer, also known as thermocouple thermometer. Thermoelectric thermometer, used as any place reliable in low and high temperature. It is used in industrial process. What are the uses of thermoelectric thermometer? Used in industrial process. Radiation thermometers, gas thermometer. Okay, let's discuss about gas thermometer. A glass bulb connected by a glass capillary tube. A glass bulb connected by a glass with a capillary tube. Also, it is also in bulb, many gases are used there, such as helium, hydrogen or air in this process. It is used in production of food. It is this gas thermometer used in, what are the uses of gas thermometer? Used in food industry, heavy industry, food industry, heavy industry, right? So the correct answer will be option number A. Or option number B, option number C, option number D. Correct answer is option number B, radiation thermometer, known as pyrometer. Radiation thermometer is also known as pyrometer. It is a device which can determine the temperature of the surface from the amount of emission of the thermal radiation from it. Pyrometer comes from a Greek word pyro, meaning to fire, and meter, meaning to measure. Comes to the next question. Question number 32. Beaufort scale is used to measure. Atmospheric pressure, wind velocity, humidity, hydraulic pressure. When we want to measure the humidity present in the air, it is measured by hygrometer. Atmospheric pressure measured by barometer. Beaufort scale measure wind velocity. And anemometer measure wind speed. Beaufort scale is used to measure wind velocity. It was invented by Admiral Sir Francis Beaufort to help sailors and describes the wind velocity, wind condition at sea or on land, at sea or on land. Question number 33. Which one of the following instrument is used for locating submerged objects in an ocean? Audiometer, sextant, galvanometer, sonar. Audiometer, sextant, galvanometer, sonar. Audiometer. Audiometer is used to measure. Audiometer used to measure intensity of sound. Galvanometer used to measure electric current in low temperature. Used to measure electric current in low temperature. Sextant. Sextant is an instrument which is measure. Sextant is a instrument which is measure the angle between horizon and celestial body such as sun, moon or stars called as sextants. Correct answer will be option number D, sonar. Sonar stands for sound navigation and radiation. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. Sonar is used for locating submerged objects in an ocean. The word sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. It uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance, direction and speed of underwater objects. Comes to the next question, 34. Radar is used for detecting objects by using light waves, reflecting sound waves to detect objects, determining the presence and location of objects within radio waves, tracking rain-bearing clouds. Option number C will be the right answer. Option number C will be the right answer. Radar is used for determining the presence and location of objects with radio waves. Radar stands for radio wave detection and ranging. Radar technique is used in various applications such as controlling air traffic, observation of weather, observation of planetary objects, space surveillance, etc. Question number 35 asks, diameter is used for the measurement of electric energy, mechanical energy, dimensional change in material, thermal energy. Diameter is used for the measurement of dimensional change in material. Option number C will be the right answer. Option number C will be the right answer. Diameter is used for the measurement of dimensional change in material as a function of temperature. A familiar application of a diameter is the mercury in glass thermometer, in which the change in volume of the liquid column is read from a graduated scale. Question number 36. Which one of the following instrument measures blood pressure? Spherometer, anemometer, ammeter, sphygmomanometer. Ammeter used to measure electric current. Anemometer used to measure wind speed. Blood pressure measured by sphygmomanometer. Option number C will be the right answer. Option number C will be the right answer. The blood pressure of human body is measured by instrument called sphygmomanometer. It consists of an inflatable rubber cuff which is applied to the arm. This cuff is then connected to a column of a mercury next to a graduated scale which indicates the blood pressure of the body. Blood pressure always measure on the arteries, aorta. The velocity of wind is measured by barometer, anemometer, hydrometer, wind vane. Barometer measures atmospheric pressure. Anemometers measure wind speed. Velocity of wind is measured by wind vane. Option number D will be the right answer. Hydrometer measures specific gravity. Specific gravity of water. The velocity of wind is measured by anemometer. It has a spinning wheel. The one sec. The velocity of measured is by anemometer. Yes. Sorry for the wrong option. The velocity of wind is measured by anemometer. It has a spinning wheel. The stronger the wind blows, the faster the wheel rotates. The anemometer counts the number of rotations which is used to calculate wind speed. The liquids used in the simple barometer is are. The liquids used in the simple barometer is are water, mercury, alcohol, all of these. Option number B will be the right answer. Mercury is used in the simple barometer. The liquid used in the simple barometer is mercury. Barometer is a scientific instrument for measuring the atmospheric pressure. Sudden rise or fall of this liquid in the barometer helps in indicating thunderstorm, etc. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Option number A, manometer, pressure, carburetor, internal combustion engine, cardiograph, heart movement, seismometer, curvature of surface. Option number D, seismometer is not correctly matched. Seismometer measures the motion of the ground caused by an earthquake or volcanic eruption. Pair D is not correctly matched because seismometer is the internal part of the seismograph, which may be a pendulum or a part mounted on a spring. However, it is often used synonymously with seismograph. It measures the motion of the ground caused by an earthquake, volcanic eruption, etc. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Thermoresistor, electronic thermometer, capacitor, thermometer, bipolar junction transistor, rectifier, junction diode, amplifier. Which correctly matched? Option number A is correctly matched. Option number A is correctly matched. Option number A correctly matched. Thermoresistor, electronic thermometer. Pair A is correctly matched. Thermoresistor is an instrument which acts as an electronic thermometer. These are thermally sensitive resistors whose prime function is to be exhibit a large, predictable and precise change in electrical resistance when subjected to a corresponding change in body temperature. Pairs B, C and D are incorrectly matched because capacitor is not a thermometer. It is charge storing device. Bipolar junction transistor is used as an amplifier but not a rectifier. Junction diode is used as rectifier but not as an amplifier. Question number 41. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Anemometer, wind speed, ammeter, electric current, tachometer, pressure difference, pyrometer, high temperature. High temperature. Option number C is not correctly matched. Option number C is not correctly matched. Is not correctly matched because tachometer is a type of surveying instrument designed for the rapid measurement of distances, elevations and directions. However, barometer is used to measure the pressure difference. Comes to the next question, 42. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Odometer, measuring instrument for distance covered by a motor wheels. Ondometer, measuring instrument for frequency of electromagnetic waves. Audiometer, device for measuring sound intensity. Ammeter, measuring instrument for electric power. To measuring instrument for electric power, measuring instrument. So watt meter. Here watt meter instrument is for for measure electric power. A meter is used for measure electric current. Electric current. Option number D is the right answer. Option number D is the right answer. Pair D is not correctly matched because a meter is an instrument to measure electric current. It cannot be used for measuring electrical power in the circuit. To measure electrical power, watt meter is used. Watt meter is used. Question number 43. Question number 43. Match the following. List 1 given some instruments and list 2 given their uses. Stethoscope, sphygmomanometer, keratometer, lux meter. Stethoscope is used for to hear heart sound. Sphygmomanometer to measure blood pressure. Keratometer to check purity of gold. Keratometer. Lux meter is used to measure the intensity of light. Option A, B, C, D. Which one is the right answer? Option number C is the right answer. Alright. The correct matching is stethoscope is a medical instrument used for hearing the sound of someone's heart. Sphygmomanometer is an instrument used for measuring the blood pressure of human body. Keratometer or carat meter is a scientific device which is internationally acclaimed for checking the purity of gold. Lux meter is a device for measuring the intensity of light that hits or passes through a surface. So today's class is up to here. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start new chapter, second chapter, right? Arihant, Success and Nothing Less, Prelims Possible. This is the book. This is the Prelims Possible book by Arihant. If you are not purchased yet, you must purchase this book because it is going to help to qualify or to qualify your UPSC prelims and state PCS exam in first attempt. If you are preparing or if you are thinking about for the most toughest exam in the world, UPSC, you really must have a book which contain a good content, a good explanation, and with in a very easy way, in a very flowing and easy way, right? So Prelims Possible also have 300 plus solved papers in Indian history, Indian geography and world geography, Indian polity, Indian economy and general science. Those students who are not subscribed this channel, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and also you can share this class with your friends or family members who are prepared for the UPSC exam. Thank you so much.